In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure in Adobe Express. If you need to quickly check the size of an element in your design, Adobe Express has a simple built-in way to help you do that using rulers. This is especially useful when you want to align objects more accurately, compare sizes, or make sure an element fits properly within your layout. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas where the object you want to measure is already visible. It's always easier if the design is fully loaded and you can clearly see the element you plan to check. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, find Rulers and Guides, then hover over it to open the side menu. In that menu, make sure Show Rulers is turned on. If it isn't enabled yet, go ahead and switch it on. Once rulers are visible, you'll see them appear along the top and side of your canvas. These rulers act as a visual reference for positioning and size, and they're the key to measuring objects in your project. Now select the object or element on your canvas that you want to measure. As soon as it's selected, look closely at the rulers at the top and along the side. Adobe Express will show a blue highlighted area on those rulers. That highlight represents the width and height of the selected object. The blue section across the top ruler helps you understand the object's width, while the blue section on the side ruler shows its height. This gives you a quick visual measurement reference without needing to manually calculate anything. It's a very handy feature when you're working on layouts that need consistent spacing or proportion. One helpful tip here is to zoom in if your object is small or if you're working with a detailed design. That can make the ruler highlights easier to read and give you a clearer sense of the object's dimensions on the canvas. And that's really all there is to it. Open your project, turn on rulers from the File menu, select your object, and use the blue ruler highlights to see its width and height. It's a fast and practical way to measure elements directly inside Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.